The innovative 622 features 4K resolution, super slow motion, and image stabilization. You are guaranteed the best quality footage. The polarizing filter is inbuilt and ensures no reflection and no glare. The 3-inch touchscreen is incredible for setup and for watching back your footage if you wish. Our exclusive partnership with What 3 Words is a world's first, and even offline allows you to locate yourself within 3 square meters. Very, very helpful if you need to contact the emergency services or your friends with your precise location. The dashcam also includes super accurate GPS and Wi-Fi, so wherever you may be, you can pair it with your phone to send your footage to the police, your insurance company, or your friends. And with our innovative emergency SOS feature, in the event of an accident and you being unresponsive, your phone will directly contact the emergency services, even with details like your blood type, and send an ambulance to your precise location. Alexa is built in and allows you to safely interact with your dashcam, whether that be asking for directions, playing music, or controlling the dashcam.
And dashcam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, LANMODO Vast Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy or snowy day, LANMODO Vast Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. LANMODO Vast Pro can fit any car. To make a living, most of the time we are on the way. LANMODO Vast Pro can work all the time. For some people, they may have difficulties to drive at night, but with LANMODO Vast Pro, they will not miss the important time in life.
Hi, I can drive at night now. I won't miss your blood puppy anymore.
If we say, also need to make sure the security. One click to turn off the screen, but the cameras always work. Drive at night. Not only need to focus on the way, but also need to be cautious about unexpected conditions, such as wild animal. 45-degree front camera makes sure all clear on the way, and 170-degree 1080 pixel rear view camera can record all the things when parked. We are always on the way. LANMODO Vast Pro will always guide you.
Yes, I arrived safely.
A camera with artificial intelligence that analyzes road conditions and driver behavior to prevent accidents before they happen. Detect traffic violations and near misses. And proactively coach drivers with in-cab alerts. It's all made possible by unparalleled video quality, real-time voice coaching, and embedded artificial intelligence. All part of Samsara's complete platform for connected fleet operations. Take the leap at samsara.com.
Are you driving for a living? Looking to protect yourself and your vehicle at all times? Meet BlackVue DR900S-2CH IR 4K cloud dashcam with interior infrared camera. The ultra-wide front camera catches everything happening ahead in 4K Ultra HD resolution. With infrared LEDs, the driver-facing camera produces clear videos even in total darkness, so you can feel at peace while driving or letting your BlackVue monitor your parked vehicle. In case of accident, transferring videos to your phone is quick and easy thanks to advanced compression and fast Wi-Fi. When away from your car, receive alerts on your phone and check on your vehicle instantly, or view later the event videos automatically uploaded to the cloud. BlackVue DR900S 2-channel IR, the best video protection for you and your vehicle.